Every day, we use simple things without thinking twice about where they came from. But behind even the most ordinary object lies a long journey shaped by time, culture, and human curiosity. Today, we dive into the history of one of the world's most beloved foods, which is pasta. We all know pasta, but few know where it truly came from. Today, we uncover the fascinating history of pasta, from ancient civilizations to the modern world. Welcome to Dust to Daily, where we dive into the history of simple things and dive into their history.
What if one of the world's most iconic Italian foods wasn't born in Italy at all? Long before pasta filled plates in Rome and Naples, its story was already unfolding. Across ancient civilizations, royal courts, and vast trade routes that connected the world. Long before pasta became a symbol of Italian cuisine, humans were already mixing grains and water. Around 4,000 years ago, ancient civilizations, such as the Mesopotamians and Egyptians, began grinding wheat into flour and shaping it into simple dough forms. To preserve it, they dried it under the sun. A clever invention in a world without refrigeration.
The basis for what would eventually become pasta was established by these early inventions.
Meanwhile, in ancient China, records from over 2,000 years ago described noodles made from millet and later wheat. In fact, archaeologists uncovered a 4,000-year-old bowl of noodles buried in China, the oldest physical evidence of noodle-like food ever discovered.
This shows us an important truth, that pasta wasn't invented in one place. It evolved wherever humans worked with grain.
The Romans played a key role in pasta's evolution. They created a dish called laganum, sheets of dough layered with sauce, an early ancestor of modern lasagna. Roman soldiers valued dried dough foods because they were portable, long-lasting, and filling, making them ideal for military campaigns. As the Roman Empire expanded, so did their food traditions, spreading wheat-based dishes across Europe. The real transformation of pasta came during the Islamic Golden Age. Between the 8th and 10th centuries, Arab traders developed advanced methods for drying pasta, making it easier to store and transport over long distances. This was a revolutionary improvement. When the Arabs conquered Sicily in the 9th century, they introduced dried pasta to the region. Sicily's warm climate was perfect for pasta production, and this marked the beginning of pasta as we know it today.
By the Middle Ages, pasta had firmly taken root in Italy.
Contrary to popular belief, Marco Polo did not bring pasta from China. Pasta already existed in Italy before his travels. Italy makes pasta its own. By the 13th century, pasta was firmly established in Italy, especially in southern regions like Naples and Sicily. However, trade between East and West may have influenced shapes and techniques. Italy transformed pasta from a basic food into an art form. Hundreds of shapes, regional sauces, and cultural traditions tied to family and festivals.
And by that, pasta became Italian identity. With the rise of industrial production in the 19th and 20th centuries, pasta became accessible to the world. Italian immigrants carried their recipes across continents, especially to the Americans.
Pasta doesn't belong to one country. It belongs to humanity. Its journey was shaped by travelers, traders, and cultures crossing paths, leaving behind a shared legacy on our plates.